back, YouTube family. This is Sub-Zero back in another video just for all of you guys. Man, I was so excited. I had an amazing intro for you guys, but something happened, so my camera didn't record it and didn't save it. So this video is gonna be all about me installing a whole bunch of carbon fiber bits on the car. You guys might be able to see a few of them in this video. Got lots of interior stuff coming, lots of exterior stuff coming. Wait guys, I got the Subi out here, we got the Vet, we got lots of plans coming very soon. I do want to apologize really quick for not having as many uploads in the last month or two. I've been so busy with work, DJing, investing, my executive coaching job, just a whole bunch of stuff I do. I know you guys want more videos of the Subi, but a lot of videos were put on pause because there were some shipping issues. I know a lot of you guys have been hoping and wanting to see many videos of the Subi and the Vet. We have finally gotten a bunch of parts in for the Subi. These past few months have been just a waiting game, from everything going on with COVID to the shipping stuff. Got some more stuff coming for the Vet. We're getting that ready for Time Attack. We got the Subi coming, still waiting on the Varis body kit. It was supposed to get here in November, but because of the shipping delays, it might be delayed another few months. So anyway, we have a few other bits coming on very shortly, but we do have a few mods going on the car. Oof. But man, look at the Vet. Like I said, we are going to get this ready for Time Attack coming here in 2022 season, and we got the Subi. Anyway guys, like the video. If you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button, follow the journey, and like I always keep saying guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a great video, an amazing video, and let's get to it. Peace. Alright you guys, so what you're going to do is go ahead and remove the plastic cover piece right here. I went ahead and put the bolts right there and right there. So you go ahead and remove this. Very simple. There's going to be 4 bolts. I already had removed those to make the process go a little bit easier. I put the bolts right here. You're going to go ahead and reuse those. And then from here, this just easily pops in and out. You got it right here, like I said. I haven't removed these 2 yet, but you got one right here, one right here, one right here, one right here. Those are the bolts that I showed you before. And you also have a little piece right here, the 2 green pieces that are going to be removed. So you can put them on the new one. That's going to be right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the last 2, and then let's get to it. Alright y'all, so what you're going to do is, like I said, take all the pieces, put them all together. I'm going to go ahead and put the bolts on, and then we're going to go ahead and put the wire. This is going to be the rear trunk. You go ahead and put the wire in here, put the bolts in, and then we're going to go ahead and bolt it back. And what I like to do is go ahead and just clean her up real quick, make sure it's all nice and clean. Alright y'all, the next thing you want to do is make sure you guys reattach this wire right here. It's going to be the rear trunk. Alright y'all, so the next thing you want to do, like I was saying, is then just reattach everything, get the bolts in, and go from there. Alright y'all, so then what you want to do, like I said, once you get this in here, and then just bolt everything down right here from the same 4 bolts we got. Woo! That looks so good, man. I love that APR carbon fiber trunk garnish. I also went and put all the clips back, and yeah, it looks really good. See, the trunk piece still works, but man, yeah, that looks, oh yeah, that looks good. The carbon works really well with the taillights. It kind of really looks very similar, especially with the coloring and the styling. Also with the carbon red and black right there, with the red STI logo in the back. It's starting to look really good. Still have a few more things to install, but so far, oh man, that looks good. That looks really good. But yeah, one more time y'all, shout out to APR. Love it, man, love it. You guys might remember, but I had these same WeatherTech floor mats in the WRX. I'm just transferring them over to the STI, keeping that same black and red theme. But man, I love these. As you can see, they're still in really good condition. It definitely helps keep the car clean. And overall, I just love the look of them. Let's put them in. So I went ahead and cleaned everything out. And you can see, still fits perfect. Got it right here, goes all the way, and it will definitely help keep your interior clean in your car. Even this piece, see, it still fits perfectly. Make sure you guys keep these in good condition. Shout out to, one more time, WeatherTech, and shout out to Braum for the seats, and shout out to Overland Designs for the red interior bits. But man, this car, woo, starting to get there, y'all, starting to get there. Here's the passenger side. As you can see, still fits perfectly. And like I said, this is gonna definitely help keep everything clean in the interior. Make sure you guys take care of your interiors, y'all. But as you can see, looks good. All right, y'all, the next piece I have is a carbon fiber license plate for the STI. So the first piece is this APR spot. The next is going to be this carbon fiber STI license plate. And oh my gosh, like I said, we're getting a lot of carbon fiber. I got the Varis kit coming, carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber, a lot of stuff. So we gotta get our carbon fiber up to really truly match with all of the carbon fiber bits. So very simple. Just gonna unscrew these two. License plate comes off. Put the license plate cover on top and then just screw it in. Very, very simple. And it's gonna look something like this. Woo! I gotta say, that carbon fiber, ooh, with the red STI right there, with the red right there, with the red match, with the red STI. Got all three matching now. With the taillights. So I was thinking about getting the white taillights, but since I'm doing the black and the red theme, I wanted to keep it all the way across, and I have to say I like this look. I think it's a much cleaner look. I think it's a much more stylish look, and I love it. So yeah, y'all. STI carbon fiber license plate and this. Let's get to the more pieces. Let's get it. All right, y'all, the next piece I just installed is this little carbon fiber trunk piece. Like I said, I do DJ, so I don't want to get a whole bunch of scratches on here. So if I get this little piece scratched up, that's fine for me. But very, very simple. Got the little carbon fiber piece right here. So now when I put my gear in, I'm not gonna scratch this. And also, I gotta say, man, that looks fire, man. That looks super, super fire. I like how it's looking. I like how it's looking. It's looking pretty good. It's looking really, really nice. The material here is pretty dope as well. Very smooth, very easy. And it just gives a nice contrast of the carbon. So now you really see all of the carbon on the back. Man, that is dope. All right, y'all. And the next carbon fiber piece I got is this carbon fiber overlay. It's gonna go over this little black piece right here. It's gonna be just like that. Like I said, very, very simple to install. Not expensive at all, but just all the little carbon fiber bits. Some are real, some are obviously just decals. But it's gonna just overall enhance the look of the car. I'm gonna put the carbon fiber over this and let's see how it looks. Woo! Very simple to add on, like I said. That carbon fiber piece, just subtle. Like I said, it's very, very subtle. Really just enhances, man. Look at that. It's pretty glossy. I'm not sure if the video and the quality is doing a good job of showing that, but it is pretty glossy for the carbon fiber. And man, it's just, overall, the look is just really, woo, looks really, really good. Second side on. The next piece is this piece right here. I got this piece done in my last WRX. Very, very simple. Probably the easiest y'all can do. I'm not the biggest fan of just regular plastic. Yes, this is just a decal, but it just adds that much better. I did put the carbon fiber pieces right there on each side. So very simple. Got this right here. Gonna go ahead and just put these overlays on top of it just so it's not looking super, super plasticky. Like I said, not too difficult to install, very simple. Not really that big of a difference, but I just think it just is a little bit better than having that plastic there, so. All right, the next piece is gonna be this piece right here. Just a regular gray kind of plastic looking. Gonna put this right here, so it's that carbon fiber. Again, it's just an overlay, but the overlays all will add up in the car to make it look that much better. Woo! Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Again, very subtle, not much, but just kind of having it. Again, this is that glossy carbon. It's not that plastic, even though it is cheap, it's not really the cheap looking one, it's the glossy carbon. The next piece, not really carbon fiber, but it's just a red side mirror piece. Again, very subtle, very subtle, but that red just adds to all the red that's going on in the interior. All the knobs, just adding that red knob there, really awesome. Again, I got this on Subispeed, super cheap, might have been like $5-6. It was not expensive, but just adding the little things, man, the little things, the little touches. Oof, looking good. Next piece is gonna be an overlay, just this right here. Once again, very simple, just an overlay, not too difficult, not expensive at all, very cheap with a quick overlay. Woo! Once again, very simple to install, not difficult at all, but just makes it look just much more clean, much more nice. Again, all this stuff is super cheap. This is like 20-30 bucks for everything. So very cheap, but it's a glossy carbon fiber, so it really just kind of makes everything look that much more clean, that much more crisp. Perfect fitment too. Really nice. All right, the last carbon fiber piece is gonna be this piece right here. Just a little plastic piece, but we got this little gloss carbon that goes over. Again, we also got this gloss carbon right here as well, so it's gonna be a nice match to get the carbon right there. Gonna be a good fit. We got a lot of carbon coming. Like I said, we got the Varis wide body kit coming, so really looking forward to it. But gonna go ahead and install this, and then that'll be it for the mods, for the carbon. Woo! That looks really good. Looks really good. And yeah, y'all, that's all the carbon fiber pieces for the day. Got a lot of cool things, and I gotta say, all of this stuff looks really good. Anyway, I got lots of stuff coming for the Subi. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them your reality. Peace.